In 2026, writing a book with Claude has moved beyond simple prompt and response to a sophisticated collaborative workflow. With 1 million token context windows in models like Claude 4.6 and persistent projects, you can now keep your entire manuscript, character bibles, and world-building notes in Claude's active memory. The foundation: set up a Claude project. Don't use a standard chat. Go to projects to create a persistent environment. Project knowledge. Upload your series Bible, character profiles, and research documents. Custom instructions: set a project voice. Example: write in a noir-inspired, first-person perspective. Sentences should be punchy and rhythmic. Avoid flowery metaphors unless they relate to the city's decay. Persistent memory: enable memory so Claude remembers specific plot points or stylistic preferences across different chat sessions. Phase 1: Structural design and diagnosis. Before drafting, use Claude as a developmental editor. The stress test: instead of asking for an outline, paste your concept and ask, identify the 3 biggest plot holes in this premise, or where does this narrative lose tension? Adaptive thinking: for complex plots, especially mysteries or sci-fi, use the adaptive thinking mode. This allows Claude to internally verify that a twist in Chapter 15 is actually supported by clues planted in Chapter 2. Beat sheets. Ask Claude to convert your outline into a Save the Cat or Hero's Journey beat sheet to ensure the pacing is commercially viable. Phase 2: The iterative drafting workflow. Never ask Claude to write Chapter 1. The output will be generic. Instead, use the scene-by-scene method. The scene brief: give Claude a beat map for the scene. Draft a scene where Elias discovers the letter. Elements: heavy rain, a sense of mounting dread, and a dialogue-heavy confrontation with Sarah. Use the show, don't tell principle for Elias's anxiety. Artifacts for drafting: Claude will generate the scene in an artifact.